This is Dave. Dave has an idea. Dave wants to sell his product to the masses. This is Kate. She has an idea too. She wants to sell her idea to a company and enjoy the rest of her life on the beach. Dave and Kate don't know where to start. Dave has the time but doesn't know where to begin. Kate has the knowledge but no time to spare. But their problem is solved when they're introduced to 123.design. At 123, we believe we can take your idea and make it into a reality, fast, efficient, and under one roof. 1. We do this by creating a design for your idea. 2. We engineer and prototype the design. And 3. We then mass produce the idea. So now Kate can enjoy her time on the beach while she collects on royalties. And Dave can also enjoy his product reaching the masses. No matter what size or complexity, we make it happen. 123.design.